Meeting recording has started.
Good morning, our partners, and thank you for joining today our mid-market, the first session. My name is Hamza Al-Wahbani. I am leading the mid-market sales in the region. Today we are going to take you through the Avaya Centrum program channel, which include a lot of applications, around 15 applications, 15 connector, where we can sell them with Avaya IB Office or with Avaya Enterprise. We will check about all these capabilities. Let me share the presentation. Okay. Then during today's session, it will be around 1 hour. We will go through Avaya Centrum program applications, where these applications will help you to sell on top of new or existing IO Office customer or a customer, CCaaS, ACR, Avaya, Aura, Contact Center, Elite, Communication Manager, and we will take you about all of these applications in terms of benefits, in terms of features, in terms of technical specifications, and what's the required for that, and what we can deliver in terms of solutions. Before that, I would like you to know that today in market, we have three packages. We have 4 packages where you as a partners for Avaya, you can go and sell. We have packages around the unified communication solutions, where we can sell the IBO Office with multiple editions, and we can sell the collaboration with IBO Office. We can sell the unified communication. We can sell the contact center, the IX workplace, the soft phone, the conference, the endpoint, the devices. All of that we can sell today with IBO Office unified communication. One of our sessions coming soon, it will be for UC, but today the session especially for the third bucket. The second bucket, which you can sell to your customers, it is the contact center with mid-market. Today we can sell full omni-channel with IBO Office to our customers. We can sell 2 kinds of contact center, the basic one, the ACR, and the advanced one, the ACCS. Plus the WFO, the screen recording, and the workspace with web full integration. And the third bucket, which you can go and sell, and it is today our session, the value add applications, the Centrum applications like the social media, the third party, the customer survey, the callback, the SMS, the appointment, the case management, the auto dialer, all these applications today, we will go through all of them in details. And last thing, you can sell Avaya unified communication and contact center and endpoints in subscription model. So you can today deploy the Avaya IBO Office or Avaya Contact Center for IBO Office, ACR or ACCS on the cloud and sell them to your customers by subscription with monthly payment. And you as well, you will pay for Avaya monthly payment. Then we have today in mid-market all-in-one communications and collaborations. So in unified communication today, we as IBO Office, it will support you up to 3,000 users. You can connect up to 150 branch with full hyper system where you can connect any kind of endpoints like a digital, IB, analog, SAVE, and built-in conference solution with audio conference without adding any license, and you can connect a multiple site with mobility, with soft phone, with custom for integration. You can connect all Avaya devices with built-in messaging and call recording, and that's kind of unified communication solution package where we can sell today for mid-market. Our next session will be for that in details. The second package related to the mid-market customers, the contact center. Today we have a full omni-channel contact center where we can sell up to 400 agents on the same time with full multi-channel support in terms of email, chat, voice, SMS, social media, auto dialer with full historical reporting, recording in real time, with full social media platform integration, with advanced IVR, with voice recording, with full supervisor control and management, and where we can enable a remote agent to work from home, and we can enable the artificial intelligence integration. That's our today contact center for mid-market. The third package, which we are going to go through it in details today, the value add applications from Avaya. Today, we have around 15 applications made, like the call recording, the call billing, the call budgeting, the callback manager, the SMS module, customer survey, chatbot, outbound dialer, WhatsApp connector, click to call, social media, CRM connector, case management, and the full package coming with customer engagement portal. We will go through all of these applications where you can sell these applications on top of IO Office, on top of ACR, on top of CCaaS, on top of Communication Manager, Aura, Elite, Avaya Aura, Contact Center, and I will share at the end one slide. It will give you the compatibility for all these applications and where you can sell them. We will go through all of these applications in details in the coming slides. So these applications will allow you to sell more, because today most of our partners still go to the market and sell only telephony system, which is around the dial tone only. That's make the margin is very low, and the competition in the market is very high on the price, because everyone today compete for the telephony system. And your relationship with your customer will not be longer, because you are selling him something everyone can sell. That will generate for you a lower revenue per customer. But if we look today at our customers, what they are looking for, we will discover that, especially in these days, our customers increase to something helping them to speak to the market, to talk to their customers in different channels, to get their customer certifications, to make their customers happy, to increase their employee productivity and performance, and to scale, to grow in the market, to increase their revenue. And their business should be continued 24 hours by 7 days with full high availability. That's what our customers today looking. So we cannot serve them just selling their telephony system. No, we have to jump to these applications, to these discussions. We have to check with our customers what their environment today. If they are active on social media, we have to go to them and say, hey, Mr. Customer, we can integrate all your social media to one platform, to one interface. So your employee, your agent will not deal anymore with all these social media to contact with customers. We are bringing all these communications to one interface, as well as if the customer would like to increase the revenue, make marketing, make like campaigns, we can help them in many applications for survey, for auto dialer, for SMS, for email broadcast. All these applications, we can do it to help the customer for these things. And that will increase your sale, it will increase your revenue. Then today our applications will focus on verticals. You can go to every vertical, every kind of customer, and talk the language of that customer. Customer for insurance, you can talk the language of insurance. And today in Avaya, if you go to Avaya sales portal under Centrum, we are voting, we are giving you a lot of presentations depend on verticals. So you can position more services on top of Avaya Core, and you can talk to the customer with their language. Customer only for hospitality, you can talk for that. Customer for hotels, for wholesale, we have a kind of discussions, kind of applications which will support them. So our applications, our Centrum applications, which we will go through them applicable for healthcare. So through the healthcare, the hospital can allow their customer to book appointment from the social media with our chatbot, to chat with agent from the social media with our chatbot, to use our tracking application to track the ambulance car, to make the doctors, the staff of the hospital to talk together with our soft phone and make a video call to execute something in the hospital. So many applications in the healthcare, as well as we can help the healthcare to listen to their customer, to conduct a survey and to listen to what their patients saying about the services, about the doctor. That will help them to improve their business. As well as we have some applications related to the professional services, where we have a mobile application, for example. Customer can use it for sale, for point of sale, for ordering, for book appointment, for track the delivery for that, for make a survey, for chatting with the team. Many applications, even for the retailers. Today we can help the retailers in this pandemic to sell remotely, to deliver remotely, to listen to the customer remotely through website, through social media, or through mobile applications. As well as restaurants, we have a lot of applications for restaurants, starting from the mobile application, from the website, to do a book appointment, to talk to the staff on the restaurant, to track the delivery of the food, to make order. All of that, as well as for education institutions, we have an applications to help the students to work remote, to study remotely, and to conduct all the materials for study remotely, to chat with the teacher, to chat with the staff of the education institution remotely, to chat with them, to talk with them, and to as well as to conduct a survey, to do all of that services through our application. As well as for the hospitality, we have a lot of applications related to them. So today, these applications will allow you to address every vertical with different applications, with multiple verticals. It can be a set for mid-sized customer or for enterprise customer. It is fully customizable. It is not just a fixed application you cannot fix. No, we are selling, we will give you a packages. So these packages with a fixed price, yes, in the price list, with a scope of work, with a list of features. But if you see your customer asking for more feature, more customization, we are happy to customize all these applications, all these 15 applications. So today our Centrum applications can fit for Aura, for IB Office, for contact center like AA, CC, SCCS, SCR, and Lead. And you can easily attach them with UC and CC solutions. It's not a matter. Some of these applications, you can sell them as stand-alone as well. So, these applications, we will go through all of them one by one, where at the end, you can sell them with Avaya IB Office or with Avaya Aura. So, let's start with the first application, which is the call billing. Call billing today is Avaya application where you can sell it with IB Office or with Aura to get a full report about every call cost, and it will give you analysis about what happened inside the IB Office or Aura. You can use the call billing for full reporting, not only give you a report about the cost. It is a full reporting application. It will give you a full of reports with alerts system, email, with data control, with cost saving. That kind of application will help you to manage your whole telephony system in terms of reporting, in terms of even the cost and billing. Okay, This application will help your customer to reduce the cost. When your customer know that what's the cost for every call, that will reduce the cost. As well as this application will help your customer to optimize the consumption of the trunk, consumption of the timing, and as well as it will streamline the operation, and that will enhance the performance. When you can control with your cost, that will enhance the performance with full of reporting. Today, the call billing can work with iOffice and it can work with Aura. And we don't want any kind of license, just we need a small server or virtual machine to download that application inside that server. Okay, the call billing will support iOffice or CM release like CM6 or 7 or 8. And what we need, we need a Windows server and a small amount of RAM and CPU and hard disk, and that's it. Okay? And we need a client workstation like Microsoft, Internet, Google Chrome, and browser. And we will replicate the same requirement for every application. So at the end, if the customer will buy one application or multiple applications, we are not asking the customer to give multiple servers. We can put all of them in one virtual machine or in one server, in one Windows server. Okay, but we have to give you an idea about the requirement and the technical specification. Any questions about the call billing before jump to the next one? Okay. The next application is regarding the call budgeting module. The call budgeting module, only we can sell this application with call billing. The call budgeting module purpose to make more control on a specific extension or specific group on the whole company. So by the call budgeting, you can control the budget for everyone. So if you assign a budget for X extension, for example, $100, that means if that extension reaches to $100 of external calling, the system will stop him from doing more calls. Not only that, the system will send alerts, email alerts to him and to the management, to someone that he reached his budget. Not only that, the call budget can control the whole budget of the company. So the company can assign a whole budget for the company to doing external calls. For example, in every month we need just to make external calls for 5,000. That's it for everyone. So if the budget reach to 5,000, no one can do more external calls because the budget reached to the maximum limits. That will make you save your cost. A lot of benefits from the call budgeting. The important and the main feature where you can control your cost and save money. Okay, it is a web-based interface and it is works on top of call billing applications. Okay, with iOffice or with Aura. And it can be installed on the same server of call billing, okay? And it supports iOffice, CM release 6 or 7 or 8, okay? And just the communication will be through the SMDR between iOffice or Avaya communication manager and the call budgeting. Do you have any question about the call budgeting? Okay, if someone has any question, he can just open the microphone and go ahead. Okay, the third application, which is related to the SMS. Our application, SMS scheduler, SMS application will allow the customer to send a notification, to send SMS in bulk or individual, manual or automatic to multiple customers to give them a reminder or to give them an announcement or notification. And there is in many cases we can use the SMS. For example, if X company has a due payment with their customers, has an installment payment, they can use the SMS to send a reminder payment automatically from the system, integrated with the system. Or some company, if they have appointment system, they can use our SMS to send a reminder to our customer or to reschedule the appointment. Some companies can use the SMS to send a survey after every call, or after you purchase something, you get something after full delivery. This company can use the SMS to send a survey, link with survey to conduct a survey. That's the SMS module, can be used in many ways with more personalized, and it comes with full reports about how many customers we send them SMS, how many customers open the SMS, the numbers for what we send SMS. It's a full reporting and full kind of integration with customer appointment system, with customer collection, with customer payment system, with customer marketing system, with customer survey system. It's open and customizable, and it's this application can scale. We can start for marketing. After that, this application, the customer can use it to scale more. Okay, with web interface to many. So by the SMS, the customer can build a loyal customer for him, because when you as a customer receiving SMS for reminder, for payment, for marketing, for survey, that will build a more loyal customer. Not only that, you can reach to the million of customers by sending SMS. That will expand your customer base. It will help you to do more marketing, to do more increasing your customer base, and that will increase the productivity of your company. The productivity of your company can increase by collecting your money, by remind every customer to come on the time, to make announcement about the product, to make marketing, to conduct a survey. All these things which you are going to do through the SMS, which allow, which improve your productivity of your company, whole revenue, whole productivity, as well as by SMS applications. That means you are saving your employee time. Instead of making that manual by the employee to call customer for reminders, to call customer one by one for payment collection, for do a survey, just one click to send to the million of customers and get their attention, get your payment, remind them for something that will save your time and your efforts. Then with SMS, we can connect it with Avaya CM release, or with Avaya Aura contact center release, or with ACR or with CCaaS, or it can connect it as a standalone with IBO Office. Okay, and just we need the API if we are going to connect the SMS, to integrate the SMS with the database. If customer said I need to send automatic SMS for payment collection, automatically, that means we need the database customer API. Okay, and we need a small server to download that application, and that server can be the same server for all Centrum applications. We can put all of them together in one server. Any question related to the SMS before jumping to the next Centrum application? Okay, then as I said, SMS application can be used for multiple purposes, for payment collection, for marketing, for reminder, for conduct a survey, for notifications. Okay, the next application related to the customer voice. When you looking for improve your business, you have to listen to your customer. Then our survey module will help you to listen to your customer, to let your customer conduct a survey, to give you a feedback about the experience. So after every transactions, after every call, we can let the customer to conduct a survey with many questions and get the full report, the full feedback about his experience with the employee, his experience with the whole company, his experience with the services provided where he got. And we can conduct that survey by sending emails to the customer, and they can get a link to conduct a survey through web browser. Or we can conduct a survey by sending SMS to the customers, and they can get that SMS to click on the link. And this can be automatic or manual. We can allow sending emails and emails and SMS to the customer to conduct a survey automatically, depend on some transactions. For example, if you are a restaurant, once the food delivered to the customer, automatically by the system, the customer will receive an SMS to ask them for the feedback, or email to ask them for the feedback. For example, if you are in the hospital and after the patient finish and leave the hospital, automatically he will get an SMS or email, or as well as auto dialer, auto call to conduct a survey. That kind of application will give you what is the level of your service quality, what's the level of your experience. Is your customer happy with your experience or not? So if you are listening to the customer, that means you are trying to improve your business. That means you are trying to serve your customer in the best way. That means you want to do more revenue, because one customer means one opportunity. If you lose a customer, you lose opportunity, you lose money, and you lose another customers, because the unhappy customer will go to his friend and start talking about the bad experience with your company, and that will make you lose in the market. Today, a lot of companies paying a lot to just have their brand in a better way, okay? But to avoid all of that, just listen to your customers, and month by month, year by year, you will see that you are from the top companies in the market, and you are doing well, because when you are listening to your customer, what they say about every transactions they are doing with you, you will improve that transaction, and you will get more customers, more opportunity, and more revenue. And that the only way to retain your customer, to keep your customer happy, to keep your customer doing a business with you, to make your customer bring a new customer to you, because they are happy, though they are taken. We are human. When I am happy, I will talk about that service. It's perfect. When someone asks me where I can find a good services restaurant with good, I will tell him 1, 2, 3, 4. Because of what? Because the good service. Everything related to all the business. So we can, in this application, calculate the net promoted score, and that will improve the customer satisfaction operation with full reporting. We can get that. Any question about the customer survey before I jump to the next one? Okay, customer survey, it can be integrated with Avaya or AACC or ACR or ACCS, or it can be as well standalone for SMS. If you have a customer said, I don't have a BBX, I want to send SMS or email to my customers to conduct a survey and get the full reports, we can do that. So we can sell the Avaya customer survey as a standalone as well. The next application is related to the missed calls, to the call where all the agent is busy. If we have customer doesn't want to increase the agent capacity, doesn't want to hire more agents, he don't have a budget. So we can meet that customer and tell him, hey, Mr. Customer, no need to increase your resources, no need to hire more employee, no need to hire more employee to work in shifts, no need. We have a lot of applications in Centrum. One of them, not only one of them, is the callback manager. That callback manager will help you any calls coming missed or any calls coming to your agents and all your agents is busy, we can handle them and bring them back to you. That's the callback manager. The callback manager will recall automatically all the missed calls and return the customer again to the agent when that agent is free. Then the callback manager will restore all the missed customer and return them back, as well as the callback manager can monitor for you with full reporting and dashboard the missed calls and the drop calls, so you have the options to automatically let the callback manager to call them, or you can go to that dashboard and start calling them by yourself manually. That will enhance your services. Not only that, the callback manager will give your customers an option on the waiting. If you don't want to wait, click on button, for example 9, and we will call you back. That we can give an option to the customer on the waiting to call, to click some button, and we will call him back. Then it is a lot of options we can do with callback. It's very simple application, will help you to return all the missed calls. Then with Avaya callback, no missing opportunity. If you miss today one customer, that means you miss one opportunity. That means you miss a revenue. It can be a revenue, it can be more revenue for you, or it can be one customer unhappy and you have to convince him to make him happy. But with callback manager, no more missing customer. Not only that, that means the callback manager will enhance the performance of your company and it will enhance the help desk efficiency. That means if your agent is free, sometimes they don't have more calls, we can use the callback to give more customers from the pool who we missed them. That will increase your customer satisfactions, because if the customer calling you and you are busy and he get a call, automatically he will be happy that company respecting me, calling me again. That's the power of Avaya Callback Manager. And in Avaya Callback Manager, it can be integrated with IBO Office only, or with Avaya or a contact center and CCaaS. And we need a small server. And it is very simple application, just it will get for you all the missed calls, and you have the option to configure it to make automatic calls to them, or depend on sometimes, or you can use that report to call them manually. Okay, as well as we can give a customer options to call him back and he doesn't want to wait in the queue. Do you have any question regarding the callback before jump to the CRM connector? Okay. Okay, for the CRM connector, this kind of connector will help more contact center customers. Customers who has a database for his customers, who has a lot of transactions and services for his customers. He's serving his customers with a database. For example, some of these customers has a standard database like Microsoft CRM, Zoho, SAP, Oracle, and he has a lot of informations, financial informations, a history of transactions, payment informations, a profile for that customer, and he has a contact center, and he has an agent. And when the agent, without the CRM connector, without connecting with the database, with the agent, with the system, with the telephony system, what will happen if a new call comes to the agent? With the agent will start wasting his time asking the customer about what's your name, what's your ID, and he will start open the database, can be Oracle, SAP, or it can be Microsoft Dynamic, or any kind of database, looking for the profile for that customer to check about his profile to start helping him better. But that will waste the customer time waiting for the agent to understand him. That will waste the agent time, and that will generate customer unhappy. And sometimes if the call drop, the customer will call again and he will repeat himself again to another agent. So that will make repeating himself, customer unhappy, agent wasting his time, a lot of human error mistake when he's searching manual about customer, he may get another customer and confused. That's kind of human mistakes and delay and waste of time. We in Avaya can solve that, enhance that, simplify that. Our CRM connector will connect between the Avaya telephony system contact center and the customer database. And once, if any incoming call come, pop-up screen will open in the PC or laptop of that agent, and a web browser automatically will open. And what inside that web browser? The customer profile. Everything related to that customer with 20 or 25 or 30 informations about that customer. May that informations be customer name, address, history, list of his tickets, list of his calls, payment due, what kind of payment he has, some transactions. So that will help the agent to know that customer before answering him. Sometimes that will help the agent to know to answer any questions come from that customer quickly, because he has all the details in front of him. That will avoid any human mistake to conflict between many customers in the agent. That will reduce the time of serving that customer. That will make company handling more calls instead of wasting the calls with searching. Instead of every call will waste you 5 minutes, that means you can buy the CRM waste just 2 minutes for every customer. That means in 5 minutes you can handle 3 customers instead of handling 1 customer, because you have this CRM connector. Then the CRM connector will allow you for 4 things. Number 1, it will give you a pop-up screen with details of that customer. Number 2, it will open for you a web page with customer profile with all details. Number 3, it will allow you to edit that informations, and this kind of editing will be synchronized to the database. Number 4, it will allow you as an agent, if you have any number inside your database, to click to call without copy and paste or without make the call manually. Click to call. Then call control, pop-up screen, web interface, customer profile, click to call and edit with full of reports about the customers and alerts about the customers. Then that will help the customer to return their investment. They have an investment on CRM and they have investment on CC, but not connecting between them, that waste of the investment. But to return to get the value of these both investment, to connect between them and make your customer happy, make your agent happy, make your agent is more professional, make the transactions is more accurate, and reduce the time of talking and call, and get more customers instead of wasting your time with every customer. Is that clear? That's the CRM connector, where you can go to your customer and start to propose that for them. Then the CRM connector will help you to get the first contact resolution. You have the answer, you have the details from the first time of you answering your call. When you answer your customer, you have all the resolution, you have all the details, and that will quick agent adoption. That means the agent is professional, he know what he's saying, he know all the details, he know how to answer. That's the kind will maximize the value from your investment. Okay, for the CRM, we need to know if this kind of database is standard database like Oracle, like Zoho, like Salesforce, like Microsoft Dynamics, or Oracle or Microsoft SQL, or in-house. We need to ask the customer, it is standard or in-house, and we need to ask the customer, do you have the API access? We need the API access. We have to ask the customer how many details you would like to bring them in the automatically with how many informations, how many fields you would like as to take them. Ask the customer these questions, and from IBO Office we need the CTI license only. We don't want the power user, just the CTI license to make that kind of integration. As well as for enterprise, we need a license, okay? And we need a small server to download that application in that server or virtual machine or Hyper-V, anything, okay? Any question regarding the CRM connector? Please go ahead. Okay. We will jump to the next application related to the case management. Case management, it is, we can go and sell that case management for the customer who doesn't have a ticketing system solution, who doesn't have even CRM, okay, small CRM, mini CRM. If the customer always accepting calls and accepting like complaints, customers start raising an issue problems without a system, we can go to that customer and sell him the case management application, where the case management will allow the customer to create a ticket, to assign that ticket to the departments, to send alerts to these departments about creating the tickets, to make escalation process. So if that ticket not solved in one day, it will escalate to the different level of management. To get alerts for all management, that's the ticket, it's in progress or not progressing well. If there is an adding info, someone can add information to that ticket to let the other people know how to solve it. If required any kind of payment, so it's full flag of ticketing system that fast track case management at the customer service desk. And that's case management also will allow you to put customer details like customer profile. It is not full flag of CRM, but it is full flag of ticketing system. Will allow your agent easily to create a ticket, record important notes while on the call, okay? And to trigger real-time notification or escalation directly to the concerned team with full reporting. So as well as the case management will come with built-in CRM connector. So if your customer buy from Avaya the case management, which will allow you to open a ticket, to create a ticket, to escalate a ticket, to solve his customer problems with mini CRM. If the calls come, we are giving you a built-in free CRM connector. So when the call comes, all the details of that customer, all the customer profiles with all tickets from the case management will open automatically in a web interface. So the agent will know why that customer calling, because there is a pending tickets still in progress, and you can answer him quickly. As well as we can integrate the case management, our case management, to a customer third-party database. So if your customer asks to move all these details from our case management to his database, we can do that. So sometimes he need to keep all these details in his database, and he would like to use our case management as a front line to get all the details about the customer to open a ticket, but all these details can be synchronized, can be saved on his database. Okay? Then the case management will help the customer to enhance the conversation. When you talk to your customer, you know your customer profile, you know your history of tickets, history of calls, you can open a ticket for him, you can make prioritized customer requests with full reporting, easy of integration and workflow, okay? You know how to handle the ticket from A to Z. Then that will help your customer front and back office to make everything officially. That will help you as an agent to know your customer when he's calling. That will get you the value of your communication with your customer and prioritize case by case and high value of customer. That will result your customer is happy because you are solving his problem in a better way and professional way. So the case management can be integrated as a standalone. We can sell it to any customer standalone without a Avaya system, or we can sell it with ACR, with CCaaS, with CM, Communication Manager, with Elite, with Avaya or a contact center, or with normal IBO Office. It's open to sell this case management or ticketing system even without Avaya. And we need the API access if there is an integration with customer database. If there is no, we don't want anything. Our application will be installed on a specific server, and it will help the customer to create a customer profile, details, to create the tickets, manage tickets, and all of that. And not only that, communicate that with customer through email. That's the default package. Any question regarding the case management? Okay. Next application related to the business required to book appointment before reach. Business required to not allow you to come before we know that you are coming, before you book a slot for you, before we give you a slot timing for you. Like sometimes today with the pandemic, some big restaurants will not accept you without appointment. Some personal care will not allow you to come to do your personal stuff without appointment. Today, most of the embassies, government will not allow you to come without appointment. Today, with the pandemic, most of the customer will not allow you to come without appointment. And that's the chance for us to go and start selling appointment system to our customers. Customers with IBO Office or with Aura or without, with standalone. The appointment application will allow your agent or your employee to create appointment, to book appointment, to reschedule appointment, and that will accelerate the customer satisfaction. Because without appointment system, with manual call flow, with manual flow, a lot of mistakes will happen. So appointment schedule, it is fully web interface application. It will allow you to create appointment, to book appointment, to check the timing of your company, which time slot is free, and to avoid any conflict. If you have a lot of employees doing booking for the customers without appointment system, the conflict will be that agent will not know that another agent already booked that time, and maybe both of them, they will book the same time for different customer, and that will make a lot of problems. The appointment schedule, it will come as well as with the basic CRM, I mean mini CRM, to keep your customer profile details, and we can integrate the appointment system with the third-party database to move to synchronize the feature. Okay, the appointment schedule coming with built-in ticketing tools. Okay, as well as we can integrate the appointment schedule with the social media platform, with chatbot. So someone can go to the social media, to the web chat, and start chatting with the chatbot engine, and he can book appointment without talking to the agent. That is the chatbot. We will talk about it. And these details which taking from the chatbot, it can be saved in the appointment schedule, and everyone will know about the appointment. Not only that, with appointment, we can send a reminder by SMS or by email or by call. So we can do that kind of reminder rescheduling by SMS and by email automatically. Okay, not only that, appointment system will come with CRM pop-up screen. So if the customer call you, a pop-up screen will open for you, and you will know all the customer profile plus the appointments he has, so you will know that customer coming to you or not from the call. So that kind of application will enhance your customer satisfaction because there is no conflict. That will increase the revenue, because when you have an appointment system, that means you know how many customers coming to visit you. You know every customer approximately how much money he will give you. He will increase you. That's as well as cost efficiency. When I say cost efficiency, what that mean? That means I will give you one example. If you don't have appointment system, and if you book a manual appointment for your customer, and customer forget to come to you because you don't have a system to send him SMS reminder, or that means you are using your resources. Maybe a doctor, you are paying for your doctor, but your patient not come, your customer not come. That means you are losing your money. But with appointment system, your doctor know, the hospital know that the patient will come. The patient will get 1 day before a reminder. He will confirm that he's coming. On the same day, he will get a reminder. That means you are using your resources, you are paying the salaries, and your customers coming to you, and that will increase the revenue. Okay? As well as the appointment application will maximize the visibility for your employee. All your employee, when someone calls to book an appointment, he will know from one system where is the free slot times. Okay? As well as that will efficient team communication. No need everyone to ask another, I will book, do you have an appointment, I will book that time. No, one system to make the communication is easy and to reduce the errors of booking same time for different customers without system. But without system, no, you cannot book the same time to different customers. Okay, appointment system can work as a standalone or with iOffice or with Aura. Okay, and with any kind of contact center. Do you have any question about the appointment schedule? Okay, let's come to the social media. Today, most of the customers are acting well on social media, but what's the problem with that activities? I will give you a lot of examples related to what's the benefit of our social media connectors, what's the disadvantage if you don't have that connector. Today, most of the customers, they will go to the social media and start chatting and making comments, but they will not get a reply fast. No one will act with them fast because of the delay, because they are not under one umbrella, one interface, one unified portal. This is the number one. Number two, you cannot collect all the names of these customers starting acting on your social media, chatting with one database. There is no tool to collect all details. This is number two. At the end of the month, you don't know how many, you don't have a full report, how many customers reaching to you by the social media. You don't have a unified report to get all these details. Okay? Number three, your agent, your employee will deal with multiple platforms and so many errors and wasting the time. You don't have a unified portal to get all these chatting comments in one interface. All this can be avoided by a social media connector. Then the social media connector on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram can bring to you in one interface all the chat, all the comments. So you will reply to them fast. You don't want to open any social platform as an agent. You just will reply to their comment, to their direct messaging. Not only that, before customers start chatting with you, we can give them a pop-up screen to fill his details, name, email, mobile number, company name. So these tools will help you, will allow you to build your customer database, which is not available without the connector. Okay, as well as we can enable the chatbot on this platform, and we will talk about the chatbot to do some automatic transactions to answer all the questions without reaching to the agent. Okay, as well as with full reporting about how many customers chat with you from Twitter, how many customer comments, how many chats, messaging for every customer, the date, the time, who is the agent handling that chat, who replied to that chat. All these details will help you to be professional in your work, to know where is the mistakes, to collect a customer database, to serve your customer better, to reach to the level that you are making more revenue, more channel, more customer happy. That will increase the productivity of your company, and you will expand your customer base. You will reach to, instead of just waiting for the customer on the call, now you are handling customers with different channel. And that as well as will make the agent adopt in his job. We are easy load on your agent by providing all the information on the screen. Okay, and that will help you to be fast and effective customer response. Okay, that's the connector. Connector just to transfer, to bring all the chats and comments to agent interface. So from Avaya CCaaS or from Avaya or contact center or from Avaya ACR, you will handle these chats from the same interface. No need to open a different web browser web page to reply to these customers, to communicate, to conduct the chatting. Okay, and we need for the social media the multimedia license for ACCS or for ACR or for Avaya or a contact center. The minimum requirement is Avaya multimedia license. Okay, as well as I told you, we can enable the chatbot engine on social media platform plus the website plus the WhatsApp. Chatbot will allow you to enable to reply to answer most of the customers' questions, which is always repeated. You don't need to waste your agent time to answer the same questions every time. Let the chatbot to do that. Let the chatbot to answer all the repeated questions. Any customer say, hi, salam alaikum, alaikum salam, how are you? I'm good. What about you? What time of your, what's the working time for you? It's from morning to evening. How many doctors do you have? Do you have this department? Do you sell this one? What's the price of that? Lot of questions which always repeating. No need to waste the agent time. Let that engine to work on website, number 1, on Facebook, number 2, on Twitter, number 3, on WhatsApp, number 4, on any mobile application, third party, number 5. So we can enable the chatbot on website, on Facebook, on Twitter, on WhatsApp, on any third party mobile application. The two main purpose of WhatsApp of chatbot, number 1, to provide customer with a lot of answers for the questions automatically. Until reach to the level, there is no answer, the chatbot will escalate that customer to live agent, and the agent will get all the history of the questions, so he will understand what was the customer looking for. Okay, and he will handle that customer. This is the main purpose of chatbot. The second purpose of chatbot to do some transactions. For example, we can enable the chatbot to make appointment automatically. Someone can go to hospital, to website, Facebook, and book appointment, select the time, select the doctor, select the date, and put his name, mobile number, and he will get a confirmation. We can do some this kind of transaction like balance, like inquiries. Okay, then the chatbot will help you to increase the call resolution and to make your customer happy and to enhance the performance of your company. More revenue, more customer happy, and that will enhance the help desk efficiency with automated workflow and by automating repeating queries. And the chatbot not required salary. He will work for you 24 hours by 7 days without vacations and better self-services. And that will ease the load of your agent. That means no more load on your agents, and your agent will be happy to do something more smart, getting more revenue. And for the chatbot, we need to ask the customer about the call flow, about the kind of transactions, and we have to know if that chatbot will be just for questions and answer, or it will be for some transactions, because the price is different. Okay, the chatbot can work standalone or with iOffice or with Aura. Do you have any question about the chatbot? Okay, no. Next application related to the new channel, new voice channel without landline number. Yes, if your customer say, I don't have a budget to go to add more landline, to pay monthly for a landline, then we will tell, no need, you can increase your channel. One of these channel is the chatbot, the social media, the website, the WhatsApp. And if you need a voice call, we can enable that voice call through web. So we can enable one button on your website. That button will allow your customer, when they are visiting your website, to click, and your agent on Avaya phone, on Avaya soft phone, on Avaya interface will get a call to answer that call, that voice call between customer on website without knowing your number, your landline number. Just click and he will call you. And before that, we can collect, before answering him, we can collect some details. We can ask him about the name, the email, the mobile number, and the message and the details. So this tool, this click to call, will allow us to collect a customer database. We can use it later on for marketing, for campaign, for survey, and as well as allow that customer to reach to your customer and talk with him voice from your website without remembering your landline number. That's click to call. It's very simple, and that's depend on power user license in IP Office, and we can it can work with IP Office for now only. Okay. And we need a power user for every call. If the customer asks for 10 calls on the same time, we need a 10 power user license, okay? With SBC, Session Border Controller. Okay, I'm going to share with you after this call the files which will help you to understand the technical specification, the scope of work, the brochure, the features, and as well as demo files, so you can see the demo for these applications. Another application related to automate the external calls without agent, the outbound dialer, the automatic outbound dialer, which will allow you automatically calling your customers without agent, agentless. Okay? Calling them from database, calling them manual, calling them from file where all the customers there automatically, and when they answer, they can listen to message or reminder for payment or marketing. That's the auto dialer, the auto outbound dialer. So no need for agent to make that calls. This application will call the customer automatically to do some announcements, some notifications, some reminders. You can use it even for survey, to conduct survey automatically by calling the customer without agent. Okay? That will improve the agent efficiency. Instead of wasting the agent time to make these calls, we allow just enable the auto dialer to make these calls to deliver some message to your customers. Okay, and that will lower the operation cost. Automated your outbound dialing process that will provide you more productivity with less workforce. No more overload on your agent. The auto dialer will make these calls without your agents. That's a new channel. So until now, we provide you with multiple channels to serve your customers, starting from voice, email, chat, SMS, auto dialer, click to call, WhatsApp, chatbot. All these channels will allow you, Mr. Customer, to make more revenue, to increase your customer satisfaction, to increase your employee productivity, to increase your company performance, revenue, everything. Believe me, we are not just talking about selling product. We are selling a value add application. This application will add a value for your company. Okay? At the end, if the customer, we have like a bundle. We have a customer engagement portal. It is one license from Avaya. It will give you, if you buy this license, instead of buy, call, for example, click to call with price, CRM connector, appointment schedule, for example, customer survey, SMS, web chat. We can bundle all of these: screen pop-up screen, CRM integration, callback manager, customer survey only for voice, social media connector, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, SMS connector for notification, and web chat in one license. The name of that license, Customer Engagement Portal, with affordable price. Because if you buy everyone alone, you will get expensive. But if you buy this bundle, it is like a bundle. It will give you the CRM, callback, survey, social media, SMS, and web chat in one license. Okay? Try to offer this for your customer, affordable price. Okay? This will help your customer to improve the customer satisfaction, to connect with customer with different channels, and smooth operation in one interface, one license. That's we can offer them to our customer. And we need, for CRM, we need customer API access. For SMS, we need SMS gateway. For survey, we need a lot of requirements for everything, but I will share with you the file where you will understand what's the prerequisite for every application. Okay? The last application related to the WhatsApp. Today, WhatsApp is used by 90% or 95% of the people around the world. And today, most of the companies start using WhatsApp as a business channel. But our connector will bring all this WhatsApp chatting to the agent interface. That's what WhatsApp connector will do. So no need for you as an agent to reply to your customers from only WhatsApp, from mobile. But we can bring all the chatting coming from WhatsApp to the multiple agent handling that WhatsApp. See, that's the WhatsApp connector. Okay, we can bring all the chats to one interface. So multiple customers start chatting, and multiple agents reply to multiple customers. That's the way of WhatsApp connector. Not only that, we can personalize the answer. We can give a real-time communicator, instant notifications, and no need to wait on hold to speak to customer service representative. Because without connector, just only one guy reply to multiple customers, but he is wasting the time and some customer waiting. But no, we can distribute these customers to multiple agents. One WhatsApp number between multiple agents. And not only that, with full reporting about these customers, names, number of texted, time of texted, who answering them in terms of agent, every agent, how many customer handling in the same time, with real time, with dashboard, with reporting. That's the WhatsApp connector. Will help you to understand more about value of your business coming from WhatsApp to improve that. Okay, that's the WhatsApp connector. And the WhatsApp connector requires API from WhatsApp. It's not Avaya responsibility. Customer has to get API from WhatsApp, and they will charge you two kinds of charge: the basic subscription, and the WhatsApp company will charge you per message. That's the WhatsApp business. Okay, you can handle that as a partner or customer. Then this is the last slide related to the matrix, to the compatibility between all the Avaya Centrum application. For example, I will take one example, the chatbot. Chatbot can work as a standalone. It cannot work with iOffice. It can work with Avaya ACR or with Avaya CCaaS. It cannot work with any communication manager. It can work with Avaya Elite and Avaya Aura Contact Center. This is the compatibility. When you are planning to sell these applications, please read this slide to understand it can work or it cannot work with which Avaya platform. Okay, it will help you to sell exactly what Avaya allow you with compatibility. Our roadmap for the future to have new connectors. The first connector to have the BNS connector from Avaya to connect with the hospitality system, with the hotel management system, and another application related to multi-tenant call billing and Teams integration connector. to integrate our soft phone, our extension with Microsoft Teams. These are coming soon in the roadmap, so you can sell more in terms of Avaya application. What do you need to do? First of all, you have to communicate with your distribution, with your Avaya account manager, and they will, or with the Avaya team, or with the ABS Avaya professional sales team, to get a quotation from them. And we will share with you a lot of files on how to collect the requirement, how to understand the prerequisite, how to understand the features, how to demo the solution, how to present the solution. It will help you to make at least 50% of your job before reaching to us to collect the requirement. Not to come to us from the beginning. Just ask your customer and read these files. When the customer asks for the CRM integration, just open the CRM files, see what's the questions you have to ask, how to collect the requirement, what's the scope of work, what's the license, which the features. Do your job before come to us. Don't come to us, hey, Mr. Avaya, my customer needs CRM. What kind of database he has? Oh, we will ask him. What he has an office or still? No, you have to do some of these activities before reach to us. Know the details of customer, what he needs from this integration, in social media, what kind of social media. Lot of questions. Just read these files to understand customer needs before reach to us, and you can place order with your distributor if you are a tier 2 partner. And if you are a tier 1 partner, you can place the order with Avaya direct and get official quotation from Avaya or from distributor like a normal product in Avaya. The last thing, you can reach to the Avaya sales /Centrum, click here, and in that website, in that link, you can download all the brochures, all the presentation, all the data sheets, all the work scope, all the offer definition, all the demos from that portal. It will help you to sell more. Okay? And at the end of this presentation, we have a case studies to understand how we solve these applications for American, for example, hospital in Dubai, how we convert their business, how we automate their business in terms of appointment, what was their old problems, old issues, no customer profile, no tracking of internal case, missing of communication, no channels, no tools to evaluate the customer, many things when we meet the American hospital. But after that, what we did, we deliver for them all in one: case management, social media, callback, SMS, survey, and we help them to solve all their problems which we present in the skills. And this is only one of the example and how we help the customer on ROI, and we have other cases around the region. You can read about all of them. Okay? Then call to action points, just communicate with the Avaya channel manager, Avaya SE, distributors, ABS team, to if you have any kind of this opportunity, read these files, study about them before reaching to us. And let's keep the momentum going, and thank you very much. Amen.
Thank you very much, Hamza. Thanks.
Okay, thank you. And if you have any question, you can reach to me, and I will let Iman to share with you all this presentation. What systems does the appointment schedule integrate with? All the compatibility systems in the presentation, you can find it, like IBO Office, Aura, Communication Manager, ACR, SCCS. Okay? Thank you very much. Have a good day.